Hi everyone, this is Michelle Warren, and I want to show you today how to create an instructor bio. In your online course sites course that you've created already, we're going to go ahead and create a new menu item. Over to the left is the menu. Each of these links is a menu item. So I'm going to show you how to create a new menu item and then show you how to add your bio to that item. The first thing you want to do is make sure that the edit mode is on in the upper right of your course. Now you have to be in the course as an instructor, so it's possible that you have two accounts, one of you as a student and the other of you as an instructor. You must have an instructor account. You cannot do this with a student account. So if you only have a student account right now, go in, create a new course sites account, and go in as instructor. Okay, so now the edit mode is on and I am the instructor. I'm going to create a new menu item. The way that I do that is in the upper left of the menu space, the menu column. There is a plus sign, and as I hover my mouse over the plus, notice that I have several options. I can create a new content area, module page, blank page, and etc. I'm going to just simply create a new content area. That's the easiest thing to do, and that is the best way to create all the links and pages within your course site course. Alright, it asks me, what do I want to name it? I'm going to go ahead and name it Instructor Welcome. Oops, excuse me. Instructor Welcome. Now it also asks me, do I want to make it available to users? I'm going to say yes. I do want the people who are in my course to see my Instructor Welcome link. And now I say submit. Alright, looks like I have another name like that. Let me take a look. There it is. I have another one. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and create a new content link just to make it easy for you guys to see what I'm doing here. So I'm going to create a new Instructor Welcome, and I'm going to call it Instructor Welcome number 2. There we go. Yes, I want to make it available to users, and there I go. I submit it. Well, where is it? In fact, what Course Sites does is it puts your new content all the way to the bottom of your menus. So here I am at the bottom of all my menu items, Instructor Welcome 2. Now I don't want it to be at the bottom, I want it to be at the top. The way that I do that is hover over my menu item with my mouse. I don't click it, I hover. And then over to the left, do you see that up and down arrow to the left? When I bring my mouse over that up and down arrow, I get a four-way arrow. I'm going to use that four-way arrow to drag that link up, 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 all the way to the top. I want it to be directly under my home page. Now I release it, and there's my new link, Instructor Welcome 2. Okay, I'm going to click that link, and it takes me to a blank page, and I get this little notification that says it's time to add some content. Alright, I want to put my bio in here under Instructor Welcome 2. So I go ahead and say Build Content, Create an Item. There's my item, and it says, what do you want your item to be named? I'm going to say Instructor Welcome Message. Okay, here I am. Now I can go ahead and type my welcome, or since I've already created it in Microsoft Word, I'm going to instead copy and paste it from Microsoft Word. So I go to Microsoft Word, here's all my instructor bio information. I'm going to copy it and paste it right here into the content of the Instructor Welcome page. Okay, but we're not done yet because I want to add a picture. So I'll go ahead and click in front of the first word because that's where I want to put my picture. And notice that there's several icons available to me, and there's a little picture icon in the bottom row. It says Insert Image. I click that little icon right there, Insert Image, and I want to browse my computer for that image, and I go to my image and I go ahead and say, there it is, there's my image. I'm going to call it Michelle Warren and my image description, and let me make this a little smaller because it came out really big. Hold on. Okay, and now I'm going to say, whoops, I'm going to say, hold on, insert that image. Okay. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like right now by saying submit. So now I go ahead and I've added my image and my bio, but notice that my image is kind of, the text is not wrapping very well around my image. So there's a little more work that I have to do here. So this is what students would see right now from my Instructor Bio. I'm going to go ahead and modify that a little bit by clicking the down arrow for my instructor welcome message. And notice when I click that down arrow, I have a chance to edit that item a little bit more. Okay, so this is all about modifying images. What you do is you click your image. So if you are going to add a graphic or an image inside of your course sites course, you click it first and then click that little image link again. Notice that it's highlighted now. It's a little dark box. I'm just going to click that. And I have three options at the top. I have the general, which I can say go get it from I can put in the image description, and I can say browse my computer and find that image, okay, which we already did. But now I can go into appearance and I can say, now this is really important, I go into appearance, I say alignment, I want it to be left aligned. Notice how the text now wraps. Here's an example of what I just did. When I say left alignment, the image is wrapped by the text. If I were to change that to middle alignment, let's make it right alignment. Notice the image now bumps over to the right and the text wraps around it once again. If I go top, then it puts it to the top, and this is what I have right now where the text is not wrapping very well. Okay, so I want it to be left aligned. Okay, and now, but notice how the text is bumping right up to my image. I want to give my image some space. I want to give it some white space around it. So I'm going to say vertical space 15, horizontal space 15. If I wanted to, I could put a border around it, but I don't recommend it. Now I can say update, and notice that the text is now wrapping nicely around my image. Okay, and if I wanted to, I could say, I could add my profile, which I recommend you do, Warren, and then I'm going to add my email address. Okay, so now, and then I'm going to just go ahead and make that bold so that my title is bolder and bigger, so that students can easily access me and know who I am. So now I have a title and an email, and I've got a description of my bio. Now I'm going to go ahead, I'm all done. I'm going to say submit. And here I am with my instructor welcome message. And it's instructor welcome to. I click that link, and there I am. I hope that answers your questions. Thank you so much.